I want to know who my representing in here tonight. Hold on, hold on.
Want to see how I got my brows to look so good? Continue to watch. Thank you. Hello, it's Shay, and I'm back again with yet another quick video. Today, this video is just going to be on my eyebrows, a quick eyebrow tutorial, and you will see how I just fill them in and conceal them very quick, nothing hard. So yes, if you want to see how I do that, continue to watch. You're just going to see me with my spoolie, brushing my eyebrows out, getting them all going in the same direction. And you can get this spoolie from like Sally's, or they even have them on the back of an eyebrow pencil like the one I have here, but this one doesn't have it, but some of them do. And now you will see me filling in the top of my eyebrows. You want to start about a ½ inch away from the beginning of your brows, as I just shown you, and you're just going to literally trace your eyebrows like you did the bottom. And when filling in, you just want to make your tail area, and right at the top of your arch, you want to make that the darkest area that you fill in. At the beginning of your eyebrow, you want to go in diagonally with light strokes, as I just shown you, and that will just give it the natural look. Eyebrows are supposed to go from light to dark, not dark to dark, dark to light, just light to dark. And now you're going to see me with my Fawn Shade and Pro Conceal from my local beauty supply also. And I'm just going to take that and I'm just going to squeeze a little, and then I'm going to swipe both sides into the cap. And then I will begin to outline my eyebrows right underneath where I outlined them in the beginning. So I will do stroke by stroke. And you can see how much is still on there once I took both sides and swiped the excess product off. So you can imagine how much would have still been on there if I didn't do that. So you're just going to outline the bottom and then outline the top. And then with the top, you're going to start about a ½ inch away, just like you did when I showed you how to outline. And now I'm taking light strokes again and just blending that concealer in. This one will give me a little more of a challenge just because I'm right-handed. I know this eyebrow is looking cray to the Z, but it will look just fine when I get done. I am like over it. I'm like, oh, I should have just did one eyebrow, but you can't do one and not the other. I'm laughing at my eyebrow because it is looking out of control. And I'm just going to blend in a little in between at the top and bottom. And you want to do it in the middle also, just so it doesn't look like a unibrow, so you can tell that you have two eyebrows and not one. And I'm just showing you how you can easily detect if your eyebrows are correct. You move your fingers to the center, and then diagonally is where your arch should be. And at the corner of your eyes where your tail should be. If it does not match up with that, then yeah, your eyebrow is not how it should be. I'm like, I don't know how else to put it. But yes, your eyebrows should just match exactly how I just showed you. I'm just going to get up close so you all can see the final look. If you could like, comment, and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Gotta hit the club like you hit them angles.